In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply SUMIF and AVERAGEIF formula in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and look at the data you want to analyze. These formulas are especially useful when you want Excel to calculate values based on a specific condition. For example, if you have a list of names in one column and sales amounts in another, you can quickly total or average the sales for just one person without sorting or filtering the data manually. First, choose the cell where you want the result to appear. This is where Excel will display the answer. To calculate a conditional total, type the SUMIF formula. The structure is equals SUMIF, then open parenthesis, followed by the range, the criteria and the sum range, then close parenthesis. In this example, if you want to find the total sales for Anna, type equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, A2 colon A5, comma, quotation mark, Anna, quotation mark, comma, B2 colon B5, close parenthesis. Here's what each part means. The first range, A2 to A5, is where Excel will look for the matching name. The criteria, Anna, tells Excel exactly what to search for. The sum range, B2 to B5, is the set of numbers Excel will add together when it finds matching entries. This formula is a great way to total values tied to one name, category, or label in your worksheet. Next, if you want to calculate an average instead of a total, the process is almost exactly the same. Select the cell where you want the average to appear, then type the AVERAGEIF formula. The only real difference is that you replace SUMIF with AVERAGEIF. So if you want to find Anna's average sales, type equals AVERAGEIF, open parenthesis, A2 colon A5, comma, quotation mark, Anna quotation mark, comma, B2 colon B5, close parenthesis. Just like before, Excel checks the names in A2 through A5, looks for Anna, and then averages the matching sales values from B2 through B5. This is very helpful when you want to measure performance, compare results, or summarize data more clearly. When entering these formulas, make sure your text criteria is inside quotation marks and double check that your ranges line up correctly. That will help prevent errors and make sure your result is accurate. And that's it. That's how to use SUMIF and AVERAGEIF in Microsoft Excel.